My package finally arrived. I unboxed it first to check everything. I was so happy unboxing this. But my happiness faded when I encountered unexpected circumstances. I was so disappointed when I received a wrong battery unit for my camera. You could see here that I am struggling putting the battery in the camera. It doesn't fit inside. So I complained to seller. Thankfully, the seller catered my concern. So she changed the battery with correct unit. However, it takes 1 week to arrive. But still, it's all worth it, since I could finally use my camera now.
Charging. Hey guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Let's do unboxing my first ever camera, the Canon M50 Mark II. Noisy plastics. Actually, I already set this up. You will watch it later on, how I setting this up. Firstly, I will flexing this for you guys. You could see how good quality it is. Sorry for the sound. I was watching a Filipino horror movie. Let's use the cute silicone case for my camera. I ordered white and pink. Watch me struggling with this. You have to remove first the lens before putting it on. Since I am having a hard time to put it on. Don't judge me, guys. Since this is my first time to have a camera for my entire life. Be careful on handling it. Because this is so expensive. You could see how slowly I move in this clip. Now we can finally put it on. Wow, this is so nice, so pretty. Wow, look at this. It's giving me a Blackpink vibe. This is so pretty. Comment below which one is more pretty, the white one or pink. Wow, this is so nice. So this is the clip of which I set this camera up. I can't find the Philippines, so I choose Hong Kong. Hoo hoo hoo. This is the electronic viewfinder. Let's take some shots. I don't know what's with this green line on the captured photo. Comment it below, guys, of what is this green line means. That would be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my future videos. Thanks for watching.